Hello, hi, it's Liz here, and today I've got the ledger journal out. Yep, still loving the cover. These are actually little free images that I made, little digi images that are on my coffee page if you want to grab them. Haven't mentioned them for ages, so I thought I would maybe just remind everybody that they're available. Wee set of words. So this book is filling up nicely, really quite eclectic. Today we're going to do another bird along with a face, and yeah, so let's get to the page that we're going to be doing. Right, just the next double page. Let me just clip that because it is a little bit bouncy on that side. There we go. Okay, so for a background, I have a partial sheet from one of the collage books. Now let me just get the correct one at this bit, because they're all from a variety of these books today. This one is from this book. There is no name on this one. I find that quite unusual. There's no maker's name or anything where it's come from. You know how you get like, this one is Collage Soup, and you know, and you get different makes, but this one doesn't have a make. But I've really used I haven't used it in a little while, but I have used it quite a lot in previous journals. So yeah, that's from there. And we've got this. I've just got all my bits to the side here, trying to get them up. I've got this character. He is from, let me just get you one of these, and I just can't for the life of remember whether he is from volume 1 or volume 2, and there's not any. Oh right, there's a duplicate there. There is there, because what happens in these books, you get the images on paper and you also get the images on cardstock. So there is there is from volume 1, and I've got the paper version. But there's lots of good stuff in volume 2 as well, if you fancy. This is Dina Wakely. I've had these a while, but I'm guessing you could probably still get them. Okay, so there's that. And then we've got, this is quite an eclectic page. Quite a surreal page, I guess you would call it. A pen or a pencil for this guy to sit on down the bottom there, getting eyed up. So that's something like that. And he is from Carousel Dreams, Collage Soup. Oh, I was keeping that. Whenever I find a page that I want to maybe use, I stick a roll of washi. I've got a couple of rolls that I just use just to pull bits off on my desk, and I use it to keep my place. And I was maybe going to use that bird until I found that bird. So that's why that random bit of roll of washi's there. So yeah, that's that book. Carousel Dreams for that one. And then I've got some random rainbows, and this is from this book, Face It, because on the back of each face you get just littler images, sometimes stars, hearts, bits of faces, bits of rainbows. I think I saw a rainbow page, yeah, bits of rainbows. So yeah, that's where all the bits come from. And I was thinking of the rainbows, like maybe one up here and maybe one behind his head. Oops. Just to kind of tie it all together. Maybe something like that. Peeking out, and then one further down here. Maybe like that. And that's going to be my page. So let's stick that down. So he's probably last. And then that. So we want to get this rainbow down first. Right, I'm going to sit down now because the camera seems to be behaving today. And because the journal book is so tall, when I sit down, you are much higher, right, just above that line there, below the 26. And I can't see if the camera has gone off. And that's the thing as well, it doesn't do it like all the time. It's just quite annoying. Put it over a little bit. Will it go over? No, I don't know why. That's better. I don't know why it's acting up. It's quite annoying. Right, so let's go around here. So I was back at my Craftaholics meeting on Saturday afternoon. It was lovely to see the ladies again. I haven't been for months, between one thing and another, between sad things happening and just getting out the way of it. And yeah, it just but it was lovely to be back. So right, let's just figure out a little bit higher. No, I don't like that straight edge. Let's have it just peeking through. I wonder if I want the brighter one down there so that you can see it better. That's better. And we can just have this one up here. So we can put this one on straight away. Yes, it was lovely to see the ladies again. And we did a colouring in page, which was lovely. And like one of those Joanna, what's her name, Beresford, is it? Joanna Beresford, I think. So we did a colouring in page, and I then did some fussy cutting, because it's nice because we're quite busy chatting and catching up. And so I just want to get this in behind here. Or am I putting it? No, I don't want the line. I don't want the straight line. Right, mister, if you could, I'm calling him a mister for some reason. I think he looks more like a mister than a missus. If you could just stay up there. make sure we're going to get everything in the right place there. So yeah, yes, I was fussy cutting for my next fairy tale book tales project. So I cut out Little Red Riding Hood and all the bits that go with that. Let's just sit that there and not press it down until we can see. Now, should his leg go on top of that? I think it maybe should. So let's do this. Now I've stuck it to my paper. Right, under there. Oh, but I don't really like that line, or does the bird cover that? Not really. Right, we'll put it just. I didn't really have it in my head that it would be under. Nope, I'm just going to stick with my on top of the leg there. Just there. So now we can stick him down. And then this here. Oops. Ooh. I nearly sent you flying there. Yeah, so it's once a month, the second Saturday of the month. It used to be the first Saturday of the month, but there's a craft group down in Ayrshire, I believe, in Kilmarnock, that meets up on the first Saturday of the month, and some of the ladies were wanting to go to both meetings. So I just want him just right on top of that. There we are. There. So we changed from the first Saturday to the second Saturday so that the crafty fairies, they're called the crafty fairies, and we're called craftaholics. And yeah. And what happens as well is they organise a weekend away. So they were all away just a couple of weekends ago. And some of the crafty fairies go and some of the craftaholics go. And I believe a good time was had by all. And yeah, Mandy was telling me that one night she was up till 4 o'clock in the morning, blethering and all the rest of it, and cutting out and sticking and blethering. So yeah. There's something about it that I like. It's quite a mix, but there is something about it I like. Now, I've got some words picked out of this. So I have this. Oops. This is our journey. Let's just sit it there just now till we see. Far from home. And there's one over the page. From the clouds to dreamland, because it does look like it's a dream, like it's maybe a wee bit of a nightmare if you've got a strange alien looking man and a black bird, like a crow. So we've got, this is our journey far from home, from the clouds to dreamland. Now we need to think, I think we're actually where I am roughly is about right. Okay, these definitely need some glue. So this is our journey. So yeah, it was nice to be back and get a blether with some of the ladies, a nice catch up. Oops. So we did the colouring in there because it's 4 hours, 12 o'clock till 4 o'clock, and you can take a wee packed lunch, which I did. And then there's tea and coffee making, and you get a biscuit, so it's all good. And yeah, so yeah, so some of us, well, we all did the colouring in, and then we take our own bits and bobs. So I just took one of my cut-out books to cut out some bits, because it's hard to take a project when you don't know what you might need, and you know, there's only so much you can carry. So yeah, one of the ladies was making a cover for a kit that she had bought, a William Morris kit, which was beautiful. So she was making the cover of a journal and covering it with fabric onto the board. And another lady was catching up, doing some journaling and some watercolour painting from her holidays. She was in the Maldives. She wanted a traveller's notebook, and she was filling in bits of that. And someone else was doing some watercolouring, some stamps, some kind of odd looking fish, if you know what I mean, like you know, strange looking, like, you know how you get the crazy birds and the crazy dogs. Well, this was like crazy fish, and so she was colouring them in, and so it was lovely. Okay, so that's us. I think that's a nice addition. It's a bit different. Yeah, I'm liking that. I'm wondering if this line down here is going to bother me, whether I want a little bit of washi torn at the edges or not. I should have made the bird further over so that he's breaking up that line a wee bit more. He's peeking out over it a wee toty bit, but pencil or pen is going over his beak and that. So yeah, it is getting broken up, and he's breaking up that side. So yeah, I'm going to leave it at that. So thanks for joining me today. If you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would be great, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.